Okay guys, I'm gonna, before I head to Costco to return the battery, I'm just gonna at least start on this. I'm gonna take the serpentine belt off. It's gonna be hard for you guys to see, but let me just put it on so you guys can see what I'm talking about, right? So got a 19mm socket with a breaker bar, right? Put that right there. You can see it right there, okay? There it is. So I'm gonna pull this thing down and it'll loosen it, and then the belt will get loose so I can take it off the alternator, and then I'll put a rubber band on it so it doesn't like start falling. Okay, so let me put this somewhere here so you can see what I'm doing at least. Okay, I'm gonna do this. All right, pull it down. It should get loose, and then take a belt. Right there it is. A little bit more. Oh, I'm more leverage here. So I think I might go a little further up and see how well I can just put this on, bro. Hopefully it'll work. Okay, again, I'm not using. There it is. That'll be better. Ready? Set, go. Got it. Okay, and then there it is. Let it go slowly. Try to bring this thing back out if I can. Oh shit. Okay, put this out. I think I got the belt off. I think I'm gonna put it somewhere, bro, because right now, okay, it doesn't seem to have fallen off anywhere. So if I could just, keep it tight like this and not just ruin anything, that should be fine. Or this is what I was thinking, putting a rubber band on it, right? So that it actually doesn't have the chance to freaking get loose anywhere. Okay, this one maybe, just like that. Done. All right. Okay, not bad. The worst part about this is putting the serpentine belts back on, so I don't really want to mess with it. Okay, there. It's also put a rubber band on it, so I'm hoping it doesn't fly off of there or in the back anywhere, okay? Cool. All right, now, let me see. Coming to 10mm to get this off right here, okay? I think it's 10. Right here, ready? There it is, yeah, squid. Cool. Got this little guy off. Cool. Please don't fall. I just bought this magnet thing too for Walmart. There we go. It's off. Perfect. And then let me put this somewhere else. Take this little clip off. What I've been told, there's like a thing you gotta press on the side here to get it off. So let me see here. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Okay, I'm gonna press that. I got a flathead screwdriver right here. I'm gonna press it on this side to get it off. From this side right here. Apparently right here you gotta push. And then it should come out. Okay, I'm gonna try that. Give me a sec. Oh, it actually stays. Okay. Come on. Wow, no room at all, bro. Get that there. Try this in, right? Why am I tripping? Should be able to get it out. I did last time, I remember. Let me see. But why is it like the hardest part is always like the small, insignificant stuff? You know what I mean? Like, oh, Lord Almighty. I might have to watch the video again of that dude taking it out, okay? Because I can't seem to figure it out. And the fact that it's daylight, and I can still barely see anything, it's killing me, okay? It's actually irritating. Okay, okay, there it is. Oh, I'm an idiot, dude. Why am I pressing? Let's do it like this, right? Oh, wow, I'm so stupid. Okay, I got it. See? Just so how you need light, bro. push this down, and then just pull it out. I don't fuck it up. Okay. Push from this side and then pull it, I guess. Oh, still pain. Still pain in the butt. Oh, I got it. Oh, okay. Wow. That was easy. Okay. Let me show you guys, okay? Is this clip right here. You see it? I don't know if you can see it. Press it down right here. Bam. You see it comes up? You see it coming up right there? I push it down and it came out. Okay. What a headache. What's this one? Oh, there it is. I see. You see it? You probably can't see that one. Let me just leave the camera where it is, okay? It's the best I can do right now. The best shot I got at doing this. Right here. Same thing. Let's pull it out. Push it in and pull it out, right? Okay. Okay. Go in there. Right here. Okay. Man. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, my back is killing me. Mainly my upper back. Oh, I had full body yesterday. Well, the last 2 days after a 2-month hiatus. Okay. So my back is really bad right now. How does it look like here, bro? Okay. Do I have to push it in or out? That's the issue here. Okay. Can you just take the whole thing off? I see a little bolt right here. I feel like I just take the whole bolt off. That might just make life easier. You know what I mean? I don't think even the stubby wrench is gonna fit down there. Cause yeah, I got like no room, bro. Oh, man. All right. I'm gonna pause this and just waste my time trying to get this off. Okay. Okay. Change of plans. I'm gonna do the little pin thing later. Let me get the bolts off. Okay. Got the 10. The 12 right here should be. I don't know if you see it. Let me move the flashlight. We're inside for now. All right. Let's just see what we got. All right. So I need a 12 millimeter up here. Okay. Let's do this, bro. Let me just use all breaker bars just to make my life easier. Okay. At least to loosen the bolts. Okay. Put the 19 back for now. What is this one? This is the 12 millimeter. The 10 right here. I think I'll have the 14. The 14's at the bottom. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. Damn. Where I'm going the other way, right? Okay. And pull it up. Done. That was easy. I don't know if you guys see it. There. It's loose. Oh wow. Dude, that was easy. Oh my gosh. It's like right there. It is. You guys see it? Yep, there it is. It's coming out, man. Okay, that out. That thing's long as hell. That's what she said. Done. Okay, there it is. That's a 12 millimeter. Keep at the top, and then the bottom one is a 14. So I'm gonna get that real quick. There it is. Okay. The bottom is all the way down there, bro. And you guys definitely can't see it. So I'm not even gonna try. Well, I guess I can show you. Let me hook it on first and then I'll show you. Okay, it is becoming a pain. Ooh, okay. I might just have to use the stubby one. There we go. Where is it? There it is. All the way. All the way. Switch it. Okay, can you guys see it down there, bro? What if I do this? Right there? I wonder. You guys would be able to see that. There we go. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, but that just takes away. Oh, wow. Oh, the phone's hanging on. The phone's. Oh, wait, no. It's that guy. Okay. Let me see if I can do this now. Am I going the right direction? Or let's do the opposite direction. I've taken it off before. When I was doing the water pump, if you guys remember, that was like a long time ago. Last year, 2 years ago. Oh man, Jesus Christ! I need some leverage here. Let me get the. Oh, need the 3/8. Lord Almighty. I was in a water pump back in the day, and this is what I used. Oh, there it is. Oh my god. I made it that tight. Oh my god. Holy crap. Oh. Alright. Let me just. Oh man. What was I thinking? I mean, it's supposed to be tight, I guess. You know, it makes sense. Let me take this guy out right here. Bam. I can't see it with my hand, but I'll move it in a bit. You see it's coming out. There it is. Whew. Oh wow. That's better. This is a 14 millimeter, okay guys? Oh, there it is. Ooh. Alright, cool. Alright, now I figure this out. Well, I've been told it's always hard to take the alternator out. Okay, you can do it, but you gotta hit it from that side somehow to pull it out. So let me figure out how to do this. But clearly, it's gonna be massive. Oh shit, that just fall. Okay. It just fall. Check in there. But I don't want this thing to get crushed, so let me try to bring the little wire harness off. I can't see that. No, I'm using my hand, that's where the wire thing is. Try to get that out. I get it, you get a screwdriver, but man, I would say it's a pain in the ass. I'll stab myself over there. Okay, cool. We'll have to go. I can stab myself here. Oh my god, dude, what the hell? Okay, I guess it keeps falling. Oh, raindrops falling on my hand. They keep falling. Oh, let me push this in all the way then. Okay. Whew. Let me see. What headache, dude? I'm not liking this. I almost have to pull it out the other way. Maybe? Like, snap it forward instead. We got a flashlight again. I lost sight of everything. There it is. I mean, dude, it's right there. So, like, what is happening? Alright. Give me a minute, okay? I'm watching another video on how to do this. We got clip this. I've done it before. I don't know what the issue is. Like, right there, dude. See this one? This guy right here. Like, I want to yank it off. I see how I'm ripping the wires and everything. You know? I didn't see it. Hey guys, I was finally able to get this thing off. Okay, thank the Lord, dude. I had to use the other plier I had that I ordered. Went from like this side, pulled the clip out this way, and then it comes out. What? Oh my god, what a headache. Okay, now I'm just gonna have to yank it out somehow. This should be fun, bro. This should be fun. Kind of set. I'm really trying not to ruin anything, but from what I've seen, there it is. I feel it coming off. There at least. Please don't crush my fingers. Oh, it's out. Oh, it's actually out. Oh, okay. Now the issue arises that, what the heck? What's it stuck on? There's anything in there. I'm gonna put this over here. Okay, that seems like the only logical step to do that. Okay, bam. Let's get the wires out of the way. Last thing I want is for another wire to be crushed or something broken off. Okay, like last time. All right, let's see what we can do. There it is. That's loose. It's finally loose. All right. Now to yank it out, I guess. Somehow, some way. Baby, let's go. The hardest part is definitely going to be just so please, just love of God, don't fall. Nothing seems to be in the way, at least, so probably to rotate it if I try hard enough. Oh, here we go. There we go. Go side to side action. This pipe is just completely in the way, man. There we go. Here we go. Hey, here we go. Here we go. Oh, Jesus. If I can, please just rotate this guy. Oh, Jesus. Don't fall this time. Oh, okay, it fell. All right. How do I wish I could take this off, but I can't. I actually looked it up. If I could take this off, but you can't. It's like a whole engine part. It's not like a cover, like this top part. You know what, bro? I'm stupid. Let me just take the top part off. Why am I being so stupid? Done. Whew. And it's clean, bro. Got the new ignition coils in there. Got the spark plugs in there. Still nice and clean. There we go. Okay. Like this thing I was thinking, like, can I take this off? Like, I really don't want to, but I can try. But nah, forget it. Oh, wow. That makes it a lot easier, actually. Be able to move this thing around. Right. There we go. Oh, there we go. Come on. Give me something, bro. Give me something. What if I turn it, though? Can I turn it? Okay. Maybe like that, then. You know what? Oh, dude. Yeah. All right. Oh, hell yeah. Okay. Oh, my God. That is heavy. Dude, that is freakishly heavy. Dear Lord. That thing was down there. Holy crap. Okay. Got it. I have officially got it off. There it is. Toyota's pencil. Oh. This is the little clip. You gotta like push up on the little clip, like push up, and then it'll come out. Annoying. Hell annoying. That's that. Okay, there we go. Let me show you the whole thing. Bam. Bam, it's dirty. Really dirty. Alright. You know, that was surprisingly easier to get off than the starter. As you guys remember, I'm sure, when I broke my oil sensor switch. And that's it. What I will do is I'm gonna clean down there. Like, it's just dirty, dude. Like, look at that. It's hella dirty. Jesus. I'm gonna clean down there. I have some wipes. I'll probably use those. I'm not gonna wash it, obviously. But yeah. Alright, that's it. Battery's out. Alternator's out. Right there. Oh Lord. Oh. Got him waiting. Okay, cool. That's it. Right there. It's like this. You see? Got a top 10mm, this little switch thing, and then this guy. Absolute pain in the butt to get off. I actually tried taking this off, but like it's an 8mm, I think, but it wasn't coming off. Like the sockets I have had no room. Okay, so this guy, and then that. I'm gonna keep. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna keep this with me because the ACDelco one comes in tomorrow morning or tomorrow whenever. Okay, that's done. Look at that, clean emission coils and everything. Okay, let me clean this all up. Okay, guys, officially done. Being ready at least for tomorrow. Okay, just cleaned. I cleaned as much as I could. Okay. There we go. Let me show you the torque. There we go. See? Nice and clean. As much as I could. I couldn't get in all the way over there You see all the black stuff, all the oil and everything up there. But for the most part, good enough, bro. It's really clean, there. So I am not tripping. I'm gonna put this. What am I talking about? I'm gonna put the new alternator when it comes in tomorrow in here, and then the battery should go in there. Okay. All right. I'm gonna put the top back over there. Okay. Okay. So my alternator finally came in today. It's ACDelco right here. Let's open it up. Okay. There it is. All nice, shiny, spit and span. Let me take it off for you guys. Okay, it's this one right here. ACDelco. Okay. So it's already nighttime. Okay. We have a flashlight here, so you're gonna have to make do with the light. Hopefully it'll be fine. The only issue I found, is that my old one had this right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. This clip sticking out right here. Okay, the new one doesn't. You see? That's that one wire that took me forever to get off yesterday. Okay, these two are fine, but this. So I figured I watched a video online. This one I can take and put it over there. Okay, this is an 8mm, so I'm gonna use a socket or socket wrench. Okay. Okay. Let me take it out. Oh, okay, there it is. So right here. It's not falling, so we're good. There we go. Okay, so 8mm. Bam. It goes in properly, bro. There's like no room in here at all. There we go. Probably never been loosened ever. Oh, it's coming out. Thank God. Okay. This one right here. You see it right here. Single guy. You know, come on, buddy. Don't fail on me now. I know what screw it is. Look at this. Oh, come out by hand. Even better. Oh, got it. Bam. There it is. I'll just put this on the new one. Okay. And I'm gonna actually leave this on here. Okay. There you go. There you go. Get it on there. I mean, hey, I could probably just keep the bolt with me. Not a big deal. Put it with that bolt. Bam. All right, it's gonna go back in the bag. Okay. And the old battery cable's in there too. Okay. Oof. We're in the car. Okay. I'm just gonna scrub it off over here too. Like that. Wow. Such a lot come off. Wow. It's shiny now. Oh my God, that's crazy. Well, these wire brushes are no joke. Dang. Look at that. Shiny as hell. Ooh. Bro, legit brand new. Oh my God. That's crazy. This little guy. Okay. I'm gonna put that on right now because I don't want to do it later. So, they're here. So I found this right here. Okay. Probably not the best placement for a brand new alternator, but it'll have to do, my friend. It'll have to do. Okay. You know what? Love God, let me get this. Okay. I bought this yesterday too. Should be really helpful. I'm hoping. Okay. Bam. Ooh, come on, don't follow me. There it is. Okay. It was like this. If I remember correctly. Yeah. That's it. Oh. Yeah, that's really it. Holy crap. Yeah. Oh, wait, no, I messed up, right? Like this? No, it should be sticking out like this, right? Or like, no, like this. I'm stupid. There it is. No, it fits perfectly. All right. Put it back on there without losing it. Oh, yeah. That's definitely not coming out. Okay. All right. Now I'm just going to have to put it in there. Doesn't look too bad. Okay. Cleaned up a lot too, so I'm going to put it back exactly the same way, like rotated. Okay. I grabbed all the bolts. This is the 12 that goes at the top. This is the 14 that goes at the bottom. So 12, 14. Okay. Right here. Okay. Okay. Seems to work. Last time I did this. There we go. Oh, it's in. Whoa, no way, dude. It's actually in. It's in. Well, what do you know? I got it. Now it's quick. Bam. Now I just gotta put it on. Okay? Do it. Okay, it's actually the best view I can get. Alright. So, I think I should get the top one first. Alright? Okay. How to do this? My question here. What I also need is other flash lights. Oh, wow. It's right there, dude. And this right there. You serious? You serious? That's it? That can't be it. Right, that easy? That's it? What? Okay. I'm gonna put the top bolt on first. At least get it set up. I have to go somewhere in a short while. Okay? There's the bolt right here. You guys definitely can't see it right now, but put it on first so I can at least have some sort of. There we go. Come on, buddy, let's go. Go on. What is it? Oh, got it. Actually, got it. Holy shit. Okay. Now we put the bottom one in. I'll thread it later. The bottom one's gonna be a little pain, right? You see it down there? Let me figure out how to do this. I don't even think I'm in there right now. I don't even think. Oh, it's right there. Okay, I see it. You know what? I'm gonna put the flashlight like this. Okay, lucky for me, it's damn magnetic, so hopefully it doesn't fall. Perfect. Oh, dude, nice. Okay. The wires, blah blah blah, nothing's falling. Sorry, 1 second. Where's on? Okay. God, where else to go from this, bro? Not irritating. I don't know why. I'm not going too loud, my friend. Like, there's a lot going on right now. There it is. I got it. I do got it. There it is. I got it. That's loose. There we go. I'm so glad I did half of this yesterday. This would have taken me forever, especially considering how late this thing came. Oh, I see. I see how this works. I have to actually push it in all the way first for it to like go through. There it is. Oh, I got the other side. Oh, dude. What a hassle. Let me do the top one, because this is kind of irritating. There we go. It's going to be a little bit of a hassle here, but my finger's killing me. Come on, bro. Just... Okay, well, it is what it is. Let me at least see if I can get this in there. Oh, it's actually in. Got it. Cool. Perfect, dude. I should have found an electrical wrench. You know what I mean? tighten this like a lot. Oh, whoa, 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 boom. Cool. Now for the bottom one. I'm good at this, man. I can figure out all these now without having to wonder which one I'm grabbing. That's better. You guys see it? Oh, Jesus, okay. Okay, that's the bottom. Okay. Dang, bro, it's already sturdy. That's crazy. So all I gotta do is tighten this guy, and I'm done. Right? Oh, I think that's it. Just a little more from this side, and I should be good. Get yourself a stubby wrench, ladies and gents. Cool. That should be it, man. I'm trying it pretty hard right now. Let me see a bigger wrench if I need to go further or anything. So let's see what we can do here. Now should be good. What I can tell. Thank God for all the lights that I have right now. Because at night this would have been a massive pain in the ass. There we go. This one. I can't see at all. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, man. What is left to do besides that? Oh, there we go. I think we're good. Hopefully I'm over tighten it either. Pretty good. Okay, whatever. Like this. Oh, excellent. It's not moving at all. Alright. I think now I'm also going to do the serpentine belt because I'll have to go in a little bit. So we have a 19 millimeter. It's a massive ass socket. There we go. Right here. Okay. You guys can already see the belt. I showed you in the last video the extension bar is over there. So let me just connect to it here. And I see it. It's going to be a minute though. Okay, I got it. I'm going to take the rubber band off of the pulley right here. Okay. Let me take the belt off. Rubber band at least. Please just let me put a pulley on with no issues, man. I'm in the mood. Just y'all remember when I was doing the water pump, this was the single worst part of this, okay? All I want is just have this thing on with no issues, okay? Come on, there it is. I see. Got it. Come on. Do it with this hand then. Might be a lot easier. Here we go. I'm getting it. Come on, dude. Come on. Get on. Come on, bro. Oh, shit. It's about to fall. Oh, holy crap. I feel like the type of shit you need like 2 people for, you know? Oh, crap. I don't want this thing to be going and falling right now. I can't even begin to explain how much I hate putting this serpentine belt on. There we go. Okay. At least I can see it enough to where I think I should go this pretty on. You know what? Oh, give me a sec. I think I need a bit more leverage to bro. I'm not getting anything from this. Okay. pull this out. So I'm gonna have like that. Try that. Okay, I twisted it so I can have more of an oomph to it. Okay. Oh, come on, man. I might just get my there it is. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Put this back here so you guys can see me struggle real quick. Please stay. Maybe you should be able to stay. Yeah. Okay, I had to put enough. All right. Woo. Good lord. Okay, cool. Okay, I'll pull this back out. That was easy. Never mind. I was expecting it to be so much worse. Okay, and it's on, dude. Like perfectly on. You guys can see it? Yeah. Cool, right there. And then, yeah, let me just start putting some of the bolts on, and we should be good. Let's take this out now. Let's see what issue I have. There's no room. There's no room, bro. Oh, shit. Oh. All right. We're done. How am I doing this? Again. Okay, pretty much done. That's it. Gonna put these clips on. Like you guys see this little guy right here? Let me put some light on there. Whoa. Got a bolt stick to it. Magnet. Okay. Sorry. There we go. That clip right there. With the thin black and white wire. That one over there. I'm on. Put that on real quick. There we go. Bam, bam. That should go like that. See where pain the bud that was? Done. Okay. And now some other ones. Let's see what we got here. This one goes right there. If you can see it. Okay, right there. This one right there. Okay. Like so. Just gonna push it in snug. I think it's in. I can't hear a click. There we go. I think that's a click. And I think if I pull it, try to pull it out, oh, well, it's not coming out now, so it's gonna have to stay in there forever until this thing dies again. And now for this guy right here, put this on there. Okay, you guys can see right there. It's gonna go on there. Oh well, okay. Of course, bro. Everything here's falling. What can I do, bro? I don't have anyone to record. Anyways, there we go. Bam. Just like that, buddy. Just like that, buddy. There it is. So you can tell, yeah, it's just in there. Right there. Right, bam. Push it in. The new bolt or nut came with it. I'm gonna screw that on real quick and then there we go. Beautiful. I'll tighten it up. Okay. That's it. Tighten it up real quick. Should be 10 millimeters, bro. Come on. I've been told not to make it too tight, but it is just copper at the end of the day. It's gonna break. That's it. The alternator is good. I'm gonna do the battery in a bit. Let me see, bro. Is this really able to come out? If I do push it hard enough. Well, it is what it is. Hopefully it's in forever. Alright, there we go. A nice, clean, shiny alternator. Okay, now I'm gonna work on the battery in a bit. Gotta do something, and then once the battery's done, I'm gonna start the car and see how we do, bro. Okay, serpentine belts on, clips on, the little nut bolt is on, the other clip is on down there. That's it, man. All the bolts are on. 12 millimeters at the top, 14 at the bottom, 19 for that. I don't know if you guys can see it from here, actually. Can you? That one, that top nut, that's the one. But you gotta pull with a lever to loosen the serpentine belt. And that's it. Alright, I'll see you guys in a bit.